What's up, everybody? How you doing? It's me, Mystique Summers, coming to you with a contest. I am being sponsored by OCCmakeup.com. That is obsessively compulsive cosmetics. I'm giving away 12 items. And I'm giving away, that is 6 pigments and 6 Liptars for this contest. The first pigment we're going to give away is Cherry Bomb. The next one is Chlorophyal. Then Cavu Blue. Heroic. Atmosphere. And last but not least, Slag. That's the pigments. Now, for everybody that loves the Liptars, you're gonna get Uber, Grandma. The color looks different, so don't worry. Anime. Get Hoochie, Demure, and last but not least, Stalker. Okay, this contest is open up to anybody over the age of 18. I don't want to have to have a Chris Hansen experience. Can't have that. So anybody above the age of 18 can do this contest anywhere in the world. I'll be nice and I'll ship it worldwide. But this contest is going to start. Let's see. Let's pick a date. The 18th. April 18th. And it's going to go until June 18th. So that's a 2-month contest. 2 months. And all you have to do is be a subscriber to me. Be a subscriber to Nikki26. I have the link. I have her link somewhere around here, because she's one of the judges, and I have a couple of other special judges. Okay. All you have to do is give me your best Rupauls Drag Race contestant look. That means if you love Shangela, I want you to paint your face and try to look exactly like Shangela. If you love me, paint your face, do everything, and look exactly like Mystique. If you can. But have fun with this. It's a fun makeup video. I want to see the transformation. Do the speed video or the pic tutorial. I want to see it all. Step by step by step, pretty much. And last but not least, I need you to give me a 30-second to 1-minute impersonation of your character. So mainly, if you paint like Nina Flowers, and you're going to be Nina Flowers, I want you to go overboard and be just like Nina. I want you to be just like any other characters from Season 1, Season 2, or Season 3. I want you to hold a sign or tell me your name and who you're impersonating. All these videos must be new videos, and I can't wait to see your work. So deuces, peace out, and remember, bitch, I'm from Chicago, and I will whoop your ass. Deuce.